Welcome! In front of me I have Xiaomi Watch S1 active, and I'm gonna show you how to connect to the Wi-Fi network and how to disconnect from the Wi-Fi network on this watch. First, we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the home button. After you wake up the screen, press the home button again to open the menu, then scroll through the menu, find the settings icon, and tap on it to enter the settings. In settings, scroll down, find the Wi-Fi option and select it. Now make sure that the Wi-Fi option is enabled, and after you turn on the Wi-Fi, it will start looking for the nearby networks. After a couple of seconds you should see the list of networks you can connect to, and to connect to network simply tap on one. For example, maybe this one. Now we need to open the Mi Fitness application on the phone that is paired with our watch to enter the password. So open the app, tap on device. It should start syncing with your phone. Once it's done, you should see the pop-up right here on the screen. But if it doesn't appear, tap on Got It, select the network again, and here we have it. Now we can enter the password for our network. And once you enter the password, tap on continue. And after you tap on continue, you can tap on Got It right here. And as you can see, it should start connecting to the network. And then it will say connected. So that's how you connect to the Wi-Fi network. If you want to disconnect from the Wi-Fi network, simply open the Wi-Fi menu on your watch, tap on the network to disconnect from it, like this. Okay, and once you're done, you can press the home button to go back to home screen or watch face. And that's how you connect to the Wi-Fi network and how you disconnect from the Wi-Fi network on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.